Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the side key, press and hold to open up the power off menu or wake Bixby. So you can see here, if I press and hold to the side button, it will open up the power menu. By default it is set to wake Bixby. So let's see how you can set this side button to open the power menu. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On your home screen, swipe down, then tap on the settings button. Next, swipe down and tap on advanced features. Then here, tap on side key, and in the press and hold section, you can choose either wake Bixby or power off menu. And that's it. Now, if you press and hold to the side key, it will open up the power menu. If you choose wake Bixby, then it will open up Bixby. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.